let's make my ultimate mashed potato recipe that does not require the potatoes peeled, so it makes life even easier. And if you're like me and you don't like peeling potatoes, it's ideal. And this version is dairy-free as well. Watch the video to learn more. I'm telling you now, when you do this recipe, you're gonna say, thank God for that. I don't have to peel up bloody potatoes anymore. Make sure you prick your potatoes extremely well, otherwise they can explode in the oven. The oven needs to be 190°C, and they take as long as they take, as long as they go soft. Depends on the size of your potatoes. Now, if you don't have a ricer, just use a masher, that's fine. If you're not dairy-free, don't worry. Just use normal butter and normal milk. The ingredients are in the description, so it's not a problem. Season well. Keep tasting for your seasoning as well, guys. These turned out so light and fluffy. This is the only way I am ever now going to make mashed potato. And the potatoes I like to use are the Royal Blues.